Catch me in that 501 denim, sharpest kid up in them, drowning in the sway, just look at how we're swimming. Hot summer kicks, almost hotter than the women. Watch me in that AC living.
Hello again, YouTube. This is TPS Gully King here again with the second part of my website tutorial. So if you watched the first one, this is where we left off. We had just, oh, not this page. Never mind. Here we go, this page. And we're just showing you examples of all the different sizes you could choose. Okay, so from there we're going to go back to this first web page. I prefer to use this because it's not simpler, but again it allows you to get a bigger heading. So I think the first thing I'm going to do here is something I wanted to do last time but ran out of time, is show you guys how to add an image. Oh no, the first thing I need to do, sorry, is show you how to center all your stuff. Fairly simple, just an opening center tag and a closing center tag. Okay, so we'll don't need that anymore. We can reload this page. Oh, reload that page. Why is that not working? Oh, didn't save it, did I? There we go. So, as you can see, it is centered on the page. Okay, so now we can get into images. What you're going to do for an image is, this is one of the few that doesn't need a closing tag. So you put img, okay, space src, which stands for image source equals, and then you have your, wherever that is. If it's on the internet, you paste your internet link there, or if it's in your, see, this is the part where things get tricky. If it's in your files, you have to use the code to specify where the image is in relation to where the web page is. So for instance, since our web page is right there, okay, if I wanted to access something in the images folder, what you do from then is you write it where it is in relation to this. So in relation to that image is in the images folder, and the image is called blank. Okay, so we are going to add the picture of the crown copy that I made with my new logo, I guess, on it. So you want to go images / crown, and if there's a space in it, you have to put an underscore. Keep that in mind. You also have to do the extension, otherwise that will not work. So save that and refresh the page, and there it is. Now you notice that it's not centered, and even if you move this center tag, if you move that out here, it still will not be centered, because what the center tag does is it centers everything in between it as one unit. Not sure if you guys get that, but here, let me just demonstrate and make things a little easier. So let's put the center back where it was. So that is centering these words. Now you want the image centered separately, so they're not centered as one giant. Basically, if you do it the other way, they're centered as an image, which is not what you want, because you want them both to line up on top of each other. So what you do is you add a second set of center tags just around the image, which should fix that problem. There you go. And you have your image on top of your text, whatever that is. Alright, so from then what you can do, I wanted to do that last time, since I'm sure you guys don't, there aren't very many good web pages out there that don't have pictures of some sort on them, so it seems really boring if they don't. So that's how you do that. And then now I think we're done with the header. We can move on to the next section, which is the body of your web page. So again, opening and closing body tags, simple as that. You just type in body and then / body inside the carets, and from there you write whatever you want. So first website tutorial on YouTube. period. Save that, and you'll see it'll pop up below it, just as standard size text. There it is. Right there. That's all it did. So you can either write, a paragraph, whatever you want to write in there, you can write in there. Or what you can do, which is I find an extremely helpful tool, is use tables. So again, extremely simple, just opening table tag and closing table tag. It's very intuitive. Another reason that HTML is a good way, especially to start learning how to make websites, it's a great way to do it. Just because of the fact that it's fairly simple. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. And from there, what you want to do is right now you have a table, but as I'll show you, there is nothing there. There are no rows, no files. Sorry, no rows, no columns, nothing. I've deleted that, there's nothing there. Okay, so what you have to do to get rows and columns, and make sure you get this order correct. Okay, so TR, opening, closing TR tags. Now inside those, and make sure you put them inside, otherwise things get very jumbled up and messy, and it's difficult to figure out where you went wrong. Inside the TRs, which I like to think of as table row, because that's what they do, they add another row. And TD, I'm not totally sure what it stands for, but I like to think of it as table diameter, so from left to right, how wide it is in number of cells. So what this will do, you still won't see anything until I type something in here. Let's just put a bunch of random letters. And to show you what I mean, we will add a couple more, another TD, set of TD tags here, and type just some more gibberish. Save that and refresh. So you can see, you can't see anything. Right now it just looks like two sets of gibberish with a space in between. But if I go here and set the table to show its border, so from there all you do is hit border equals whatever number you want. So just for this one I'm going to pick 4. Save that, and you will now see that there is indeed a table at that spot. Okay, and to go a little further into this, we will go outside and add another set of TR tags. Okay, and inside those we will add 2 sets of the TD tags. And then we will type some more gibberish in those 2. Save it and refresh that page. So you can now see that we have 4 boxes. Okay? And I only have 2 minutes left before this video becomes unacceptably long to YouTube. So I'm just going to finish going over tables, and then that'll be it for that. So then the next thing you might want to do is pick a different border color. So simple as that, border color. And remember, COLOUR does not work. Okay? Do not try that. It will not work for your web page. So you can see there, I typed in red and it changes colors to red. Alright, the next thing you can do with a table is you can change the border color, you can change the border. The next thing the other main thing that's good about a table is you can put images or videos in there and organize them without having any border, which is really nice. Let me show you what I mean here. See if I can do this. I only have a minute, but we'll just put 2 images. I'm just going to put 2 of the same image because I do not have time to go through. Whoops. Apparently I'm not. Alright, well, looks like we're going to do that next time because I only have 30 seconds. And I don't know, you know what, we'll try it. Paste. Paste. Save. And there you go.